Are you craving the thrill of your next adventure? Let's uncover some epic outdoor activities you can't miss. Picture this. You're soaring through the treetops on a zip line, the wind rushing past as you take in the breathtaking views below. Or maybe you prefer conquering towering mountains with every step, the sense of achievement growing with each climb. But wait, there's more. How about kayaking down a roaring river, navigating through its twists and turns? For the water lovers, there's nothing quite like the rush of whitewater rafting, paddling as a team to conquer those wild rapids. Feeling more laid back? No problem. Imagine camping under a blanket of stars, the crackling campfire your only light, sharing stories and roasting marshmallows with friends. And don't forget the thrill of mountain biking through rugged trails, dodging rocks and roots, feeling the adrenaline surge with every bend and bump. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your gear, and get ready to make some unforgettable memories. Adventure is calling, and it's time to answer.